You're looking for a set of chairs, 4-pack from the company. Easy to open, soft cushion, leather-like seat. On the tile floor with the plastic feet, they do slide and move around. These are the chairs. Put it by a bridge table, additional chairs by the table, and more. We're going to show you what the chair is about. From the provider, Dumos is a vinyl padded folding chair with leather-like material for the seating. And what we're going to do is show you what the chair looks like. It's a 4-pack and what you can use it for. When opening up, place upright. Show you how nicely the chairs are packaged. They're protected by plastic, each of the chairs, so remove each of the plastic coverings and put to the side. Each of the chairs have a hole in the center for air to release. As the chair is opened up, it is a dark gray chair, a folding chair with a soft padded back and a soft padded seat. It has a support bar, the folding bar, rubber tabs on all around each of the poles, and padded feet. On the chair's backing underneath the seat is instructions and information. Chair for underneath the canopy, gazebo, by the poolside, where extra chairs are needed. The chairs are non-stackable. The chairs can be turned upside down and stacked in position. A measurement of the chair from the floor to the seat base, 17 plus inches. The full height of the chair measures 29 inches. The seat across measures 15 plus inches. From the base to the top measures 13 plus inches. The chair sits low. Replacements for old chairs to new chairs. The chair has a soft cushion that you feel the base. It is a chair for occasions, fairs, and more. It is a lighter weight chair from the modern old chair. For having guests over, Tupperware parties, dinner, and more, we have the chairs set up ready for guests. These are the chairs that are good for floors. These are chairs with rubber feet to protect the floor, a cushioned seat and backing, and a dark color for your needs. I hope you enjoy your chairs, easy to store away, foldable, lightweight, your chair. Enjoy your foldable chair, the 4-pack, and thank you for viewing.